Before you spend another dollar on new lenses, supplements, or eye treatments, I want you to hear this. There's a simple, inexpensive food, one that costs less than a cup of coffee that can help your eyes repair themselves while you sleep. It's not a pill. It's not surgery. It's something you can find in your kitchen tonight. You and millions of others spend billions every year trying to keep your eyesight alive, and meanwhile, big clinics and drug companies keep getting richer. But the truth is, your eyes have their own natural repair system, one that turns on while you rest at night. And when you feed your body the right nutrients in the evening, you can literally help your eyes rebuild from the inside out. So in this video, I'll show you 8 foods ranked from least to most powerful, plus exactly how and when to eat them, so your eyes can start healing tonight. Because after all, losing your sight doesn't just change how you see. It changes how you live. If you've ever struggled with blurry nights, gritty eyes, or cloudy mornings, stay with me. This might be the most important few minutes you'll spend on your health this year. Before we dive in, let me in the comments. I read every single comment. 1. Sweet potatoes. Let's start with a food most people overlook for eye health: sweet potatoes. On the surface, they seem like a simple side dish, but inside they're loaded with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, the exact nutrient your eyes use to repair themselves while you sleep. Just one serving provides enough vitamin A to nourish the delicate cells in your retina, helping you see clearly even in dim light. To get the best benefits, bake or steam your sweet potatoes and keep the skin on, since that's where much of the nutrition is. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil or grass-fed butter. The healthy fat boosts beta-carotene absorption. Enjoy one medium sweet potato about 90 minutes before bed to help your eyes feel stronger and less tired. 2. Wild-caught salmon. Next up is wild-caught salmon, a true powerhouse for your eyes. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA, and a rare antioxidant called astaxanthin. Your retina is made mostly of fat, and over half of it is DHA. While you sleep, your body uses DHA to repair and restore the delicate cells that keep your vision sharp. In other words, salmon actually fuels your eye's natural nighttime repair system. Astaxanthin, on the other hand, acts like a powerful shield, protecting your eyes from blue light damage caused by screens, TVs, and harsh lighting. For best results, always choose wild-caught salmon over farmed. Bake it gently at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes with a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, a delicious, soothing evening meal that helps your vision rejuvenate overnight. 3. Goji berries. These tiny bright red berries are among the most powerful eye protective foods on the planet. They're the richest natural source of zeaxanthin, a special antioxidant that acts like built-in sunglasses for your eyes. Zeaxanthin shields your macula, the central part of your retina that helps you read fine print, drive safely at night, and recognize the faces you love. When you don't get enough of it, your vision can slowly become blurry, especially in dim lighting. Here's the simple nighttime trick. Your body actually absorbs zeaxanthin more efficiently before bed. Soak 1 ounce of goji berries in warm water, or mix them into plain Greek yogurt as a soothing evening snack. Pair them with a handful of raw almonds for an added boost of vitamin E, which works together with zeaxanthin to protect every layer of your retina and support stronger, clearer eyes over time. 4. Organic egg yolks. For years, people avoided egg yolks because of cholesterol fears, but when it comes to eye health, the yolk is pure gold. It's one of the richest, most absorbable sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp vision. Pasture-raised eggs can contain up to 10 times more of these nutrients than regular ones. To preserve their delicate compounds, cook them gently, soft scrambled, poached, or lightly boiled. Eating them in the evening works best, since that's when your body naturally begins its repair cycle. Just 1 or 2 yolks a few nights per week can improve how your eyes handle glare, brightness, and low light, helping you see more clearly after dark and wake up with eyes that feel refreshed. 5. Bilberries. Bilberries come with a fascinating history. During World War II, Royal Air Force pilots reportedly ate bilberry jam before night missions, claiming it improved their night vision. Modern science now explains why. Bilberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful plant pigments that help your eyes regenerate rhodopsin, the protein that allows you to see clearly in dim light. These same compounds strengthen capillaries in your retina and reduce oxidative stress that leads to vision decline. For best results, eat bilberries fresh or frozen, never cooked, to preserve their nutrients. Pair them with a few walnuts or almonds for a bedtime snack that boosts blood flow to your eyes, sharpens dark adaptation, and helps protect against macular degeneration as you sleep. 6. Black currants. Black currants are one of nature's most underrated vision foods. They contain a unique omega-6 fatty acid called GLA, which helps reduce inflammation and nourish the sensitive tissues inside your eyes. Alongside that, they're rich in vitamin C, essential for strengthening the tiny blood vessels that feed your retina and keep oxygen flowing. Research shows that black currants can help lower intraocular pressure, support tear production, and even benefit people in early stages of glaucoma. To enjoy them, have a cup of fresh or frozen black currants before bed, or take a tablespoon of black currant seed oil. Combine with a spoonful of cottage cheese or plain yogurt to boost nutrient absorption and wake up with calmer, more hydrated eyes. 7. Saffron. Saffron isn't just a culinary luxury, it's one of the most potent natural remedies for aging eyes. This golden spice contains crocin and crocetine, two compounds proven to restore and protect light-sensing cells in your retina. In one landmark study, seniors with macular degeneration who took saffron daily for 6 months showed measurable improvements in visual clarity, brightness, and color perception. To prepare it, steep 15 to 20 saffron threads in warm milk for about 15 minutes. Drink it an hour before bed. The healthy fats in milk help deliver saffron's active compounds directly to your eyes while you sleep. It's not just nourishing for your vision, it also calms your nervous system, helping you drift into deeper, more restorative rest. 8. Raw cacao. The most powerful eye-healing food of all is raw cacao. Not the sugary cocoa powder, but the pure, unroasted kind packed with natural compounds. It's loaded with epicatechin, a potent antioxidant that boosts blood flow directly to your retina, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery. Even more remarkable, it helps your optic nerve regenerate, rebuilding the vital connection between your eyes and brain. To enjoy it, mix 2 tablespoons of raw cacao with warm cashew milk, add a pinch of cinnamon and cayenne, and sip it about 45 minutes before bed. It's soothing, delicious, and supports deep overnight eye repair. You don't have to accept fading vision as a part of getting older. Your eyes are built to heal, and every night they try to. All you have to do is give them the right fuel. So before you reach for another bottle of pills or book another expensive checkup, try one of these foods tonight. Because sometimes, the most powerful medicine isn't found in a pharmacy, it's found right in your kitchen. Your eyes have carried you through a lifetime of memories. Now it's time to start giving them something back.